Today we're going to put this screen protector from Carwiner on the Tesla Model Y, and I got this on Amazon, and supposedly works good. So I'm going to demonstrate how to put this. So it comes in a box like this. You open it, and the instructions are all here. Basically how to do it. That's very nice. And here's the protector, and then here's the accessories for it. Alright, so I'm going to start by taking this off. So we have a bunch of stuff here. And it says, first thing, put the screen in screen cleaning mop, then clean screen with cleaning kit 1, 2. So cleaning kit 1, 2. So these are the wipes. So it's wet and dry, so we're going to use that. Alright, so I'm now cleaning it. I put it to screen cleaning mode. You go to settings and display and put it to screen cleaning mode. And I'm cleaning it as instructed. And alright, this looks pretty good. Now we're going to use the second one, which is the dry one. The dry one. Next, with this dry cloth, final cleanup. Now next it says paste 5 fixed stickers on top of the screen. So here's the 5 stickers on top of the screen. So finally I was able to put it. Basically the trick is, after you stick it on top, it says to press in the middle like this. When you press in the middle like this, it just adjusts automatically. I did see a few bubbles here and here, but the instruction says to use the cloth, this microfiber to squeeze the bubbles out. So that's what I did. I kept squeezing this way and it went out. But anyway, pretty good product. Let's see. It is quite easy to install, not too shabby. Let's see how it lasts. I like the matte finish. Now I'm gonna hold to exit, and see, I'm back in the screen. Now it's matte, no fingerprints, and I like it. Thank you guys.